Sending international text messages can be expensive, but there are affordable options available. In this tutorial you will learn how to send. Messaging apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, and WeChat allow you to send messages internationally for free using Wi-Fi. There are plenty of SMS services available online that allow you to send international text messages for free or at a low cost. If you don't have an international messaging plan, turn off data roaming when traveling abroad to avoid expensive data charges and use. Be mindful of the time difference when sending international text messages, as some countries may be asleep when you're sending. Callmama is an alternative to roaming and Wi-Fi dependent apps. You can use it to send messages for free over a data. By following these tips, you can easily send international text messages without breaking the bank or confusing your recipients. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.